various programs and services to support older adults, adults with disabilities, and family caregivers. Health insurance, counseling, caregiver support, and information on elder abuse. The Aging Resource Guide has it all. And let's not forget about the friendship. It's available 24/7 for those who may need a friendly conversation. Dive into the Aging Resource Guide today at aging.ca.gov and discover the support you need. Together, we can ensure every older adult in California gets the help they deserve. This holiday season, the Tunnel to Towers Foundation is delivering on its promise to do good and never forget the sacrifices of America's greatest heroes during their annual season of hope. Between Thanksgiving and Christmas, the foundation is delivering mortgage-free homes to dozens of America's most injured heroes. Help and honor America's heroes now. Donate $11 a month to Tunnel to Towers at T2T.org. That's T2T.org.
Shop Jewelry Television's Black Friday event and get 20% off your purchase of $99 or more. That's huge. And because JTV has gifts for men and women, like designer fragrances, handbags, sunglasses, and of course, amazing deals on gorgeous jewelry in thousands of styles, you can knock out your list just like that. Boom! Don't miss your chance to get 20% off your purchase of $99 or more during JTV's Black Friday